Good morning learners. Today we are going to learn art and craft activity for grade 3. Today's topic activity number 2, step by step aeroplane. Follow the steps to draw the aeroplane and color the sheet neatly after the drawing is complete. The center of the page given here. We are going to start with step 1. So we have to copy this picture here, same step by step, like this. First we have to draw like this. Then same we have to copy here. Here also this part. Our first step is done. Now we'll start the second step. See, we'll go from front to back. How to draw here like this. Then same thing here. Then we'll go with some details in third shape. We have to copy that windows same as it is. Small windows there. Like this. Like this. Like this. Then with some clouds we will complete the picture. Now I am doing this fourth step. We have to draw here clouds. Like this, then we have to copy. Here also. This way we have to complete the full picture. Then we have to color this picture like this. Same. You have to color this with whichever colors you like. And this way we have to complete the whole assignment. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Stay home, stay safe.